not filmed a video in a very long time. So today we're going to be doing a prom eyeshadow look. The reason it's not a full makeup look is because my prom is coming up, and as you can see, your girl is breaking out. So I haven't been wearing too much makeup lately, and I wanted to get a video out for you all, but my prom coming up and I need my skin to be a nice clean surface. Yeah, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right in this video. I'm gonna have cards and everything going on throughout the video, so if you see one of my video titles that pop up that you're interested in, you can just always go ahead and click it. But for this video, we're going to be doing just the eyes, maybe just an eye, but we're just going to be doing an eyeshadow look. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So to start off, I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses brown pencil in the shade dark brown and just do my brows real quick. So my brow is done. It's really thick at the top, but that's because my brows have not been done and have not been touched in God knows how long. So yeah, I'm gonna take this shade in my Juvia's Place palette, the shade orange, and this is just so kind of like a transition shade. So I have the orange shade on. Now I'm gonna go in with that same palette. Wow, that light isn't on, that's fine. So I'm gonna go in with that same palette, and I'm gonna use this brownish shade right here and just deepen this orange up using this same brush as well, just so the colors could kind of like keep on blending in together. And I'm just gonna take this one and do the same thing, kind of like start to add the browns in, mix this in with that orange. So now I have this taupey brown shade right here, and it's kind of blended out nicely. Now I'm going to go into my box of crayons palette and take the shade brown that's all the way over here, using this same brush, and then I'm going to switch the brushes in a little bit, using the same brush, and kind of pack that in towards the outer corner part. And I really want to make this part a lot darker, so I'm going to take this brush, the same little e.l.f. brush, this is their contour brush actually, and just deepen this up right here. I want this part to be a lot darker. So now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond, put a little bit of it on the back of my hands. This is what I'm going to use to cut my crease. I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm going to take a concealer brush. I'm going to go in with a smaller one. I'd rather use a smaller one and build up and make it bigger than to use a bigger one and then have to try to get it smaller. So I'm just going to cut a crease, like it's going to be basically halfway through my eye. So I'm just going to take this shade of concealer and cut the crease. It's going to stop like right here. So I got my yo, this is so ugly. I got my eye closed a little bit because I don't want to look up and then the eyeshadow start creasing. So the concealer start creasing. So back in my box of crayons palette, I'm going to take this tan shade right here and pack that on that crease that I just cut. So now I'm going to take this smudger brush, go back in with that dark brown, and kind of like make sure that end part doesn't look so freaking structured. We want that to kind of blend out. Then I'm going to take that blending brush and just make sure all the colors at the end and at the top are nicely blended and pretty. So now we're going to add some glitter. I have this glitter from Absolute New York, and it's in this shade Gold Rush. It's a gold glitter. Took the glitter primer and put that there, and I'm going to use, I needed a really small brush, so I just got this nail brush. It's really teeny because I didn't want, why would I do that? I just needed a really teeny brush, so I'm taking this nail brush, and it's really small, and I'm just going to dab into this glue or this glitter primer, and the glitter is not gonna go all the way through. It's gonna kind of just carve out where I cut my crease at the top part. And now that I have my line, I like to just place the glitter there. I got my mirror right here, so I'm looking at that. I'm just gonna, first I need to open this up. Okay. I like to shake it. Take that same brush with the primer and just kind of like dab into there and get my glitter. Get it right on me. So this is what the eye look is looking so far. I really wish my whole face was done, that you would really be able to see how it is. I bought a Prom. Okay, first I'm about to put my liner on. I'm not doing a wing because I just want it nice and subtle. So I'm just gonna take this liner and just kind of like do a really thin line. This is more so for lash purposes, so I honestly don't even want to take it all the way through. I'm just gonna do it right here in this corner. A dark brown pencil because I wanted to line the inner part. I mean the what's it called? My lower lash line, my waterline. Cute. Okay, then I'm gonna take a really teeny brush, and I'm gonna take that brown shade from out of my box. Actually, let me put a little bit of concealer on the eye, cause like I said, your girl got really dark under eyes, and I want this to kind of look a little, you know, a little less dark like this. Going in with my Box of Crowns palette, I'm going to take this brown and I'm going to just put that under here, just a little bit of it. Now I'm just going to put some mascara and some falsies. For my falsies, I'm going to be using these 3D Mink ones. Well, wait, is that 3D Mink? 3D Silk Lashes. They're in the style this number. I got it from the drugstore. I always wear longer lashes. These ones are a little shorter than what I usually wear, but for the sake of this neutral tone down more look, I'm gonna go with these ones. And I'm gonna put my mascara on and I'll be right back with you. So I have my lashes on. This is really pretty. I'm going to take this really like goldish shade real quick, just a little bit of it, and put this in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to use a really small brush, that same brush I used with that brown at the bottom, and just put this in the inner corner, a little bit of it in the inner corner of my eye. With my Metals palette, and take this this shimmery shade down here and really pack that in the inner corner and on my brow bone. So I decided to switch the lash to something a little more bigger, and these are they come in a package like this. I don't know which style it is because I lost the box, but they look like this, and this is the lash and this is the eye look, and I hope you guys can just envision it with a beef face and some better nose. But yeah, this is the eye look. Imagine this with a beef face, the other item match your nice little gold or nude dress or whatever color dress you're wearing. Your hair all done, frontal all laid, hair all slayed, and this is your look. so pretty. So if you guys enjoyed this, I'm gonna make some more of these videos, and they most likely will be just with my eye. I might do 2 eyes next time so you can really see. But I like this video. It's really easy, really fun for me to make. And yeah, it was really pretty, really simple. And you can wear this to your prom, your senior prom, junior prom, 8th grade prom, whatever. And just, I like it better with the dramatic lashes. It's such a very simple look. But yeah, just look at the lash. Look at the thing. So yeah, that's the look. But see you guys later. Bye.